let's start. Right now we're gonna get to a public banner. Let's start. Let's say yeah, black banner. Let's start. Right now.
Ja, wat doorder. Want je kan banken. Als we nou zeggen, dan kan je hier Simpsons. He's got sticks. Just come on and see what he's got. Ja, ik dacht nee, hij komt daar. Zo, het zit dan ook.
Jolly mariners who loves to take a dram, I'll tell you of a rubber boat who over the sea then come. He's known to let to the king in the 11th of July, to see if he would accept him of his jovial company.
Bin jetzt in Stornoway angekommen, bin viel hingetrampt heute Morgen, heute Mittag. Und das Wetter ist einfach nur mega geil. Super, total typisch schottisches Wetter natürlich. Und jetzt mache ich gerade so einen kleinen Spaziergang. Ich bin heute Nacht bleibe ich im Hostel. Und ja, mal schauen. Heute Abend wahrscheinlich in den Pub gehen oder so. Gucken, dass man irgendwo Leute trifft. Wobei das im Hostel ja auch kein Problem wird. Super schönes Hostel, total gemütlich, super nette Leute. Jetzt mache ich gerade einen Spaziergang. Habe 2 Bier eingepackt. Und leider ist der Trinken in der Öffentlichkeit verboten, aber mal schauen, irgendwo werde ich schon ein schönes Plätzchen finden und mir die 2 Bierchen dann genehmigen und das Wetter genießen natürlich. Morgen nehme ich dann die Fähre zurück nach, morgen nehme ich die Fähre nach Ullapool. Wo kommt man denn da hin? Ich glaube, so viele Bäume wie hier sind, habe ich bis jetzt in meiner ganzen Reise durch Schottland noch nicht gesehen. Die sind natürlich alle nur um die Stadt herum angepflanzt. Ich habe keine Ahnung, wo ich lang gehe. Das ist ganz schöner Irrgarten hier. Da lang. Das Gute ist, so leicht verläuft man sich nicht, weil man die Stadt und den Hafen eigentlich immer hört. Ja, hier haben wir einen typischen Ausblick über die schottische Landschaft. Sehr charakteristisch ist das flache Land und das gute Wetter. Das Wetter ist einfach nur der Hammer. Das ist so unglaublich. Es ist so warm.
fuck means what's a car? What the fuck, what the fuck? I'm an idle way to pop here, my village. Just all the rednecks are down. Trouble by the pilot and I walk while the way you got a few down the table. There's a lot of trouble in the queue for the crowd.
Hello, I'm Sam. I'm English, don't you know?
You're English. That's
I am English.
You're really English. You're
I'm a real English person.
a real
I speak
English
the
person.
Queen's English.
So most of the people here hate you.
Yeah, pretty much.
Exactly.
Actually, all of them.
Okay. You're from Scotland though. You're from USA.
I'm from fucking Scotland.
You're from Scotland.
Yeah.
The people over there say you're from USA,
I lived in USA.
but you're from Scotland.
I'm from
So
Scotland.
you hate the English people.
Yeah, try.
You hate him.
No, I love Samwise Gamgee.
You love Samwise. Whoa, that's cool.
One more time. Nigga, please. Nigga, please. Do the fucking firework.
Come on.
I need to keep that. I need to walk shot.
Come and go. You come and go. Love is easy, like my dreams. Red, gold and green. Red, gold and green.
Crazy bastard.
Go and fart in it. Somebody go and fart in it.
So tell me about your great salmon net. We've got there.
No, look at the salmon first. Look at the salmon.
Oh, that's the salmon. Yeah.
Go back.
Yeah.
Jumping again.
Beautiful. This is the salmon.
The salmon. net.
Salmon. Fucking king salmon tea.
Great salmon.
What's the German for salmon?
Actually, I have no idea. No. I know what salmon is.
You will
But
stick with les salmon.
Les salmon.
Les salmon.
You got a hole in that, by the way.
I know what it is in German, but I don't know what the fucking word.
Watch this.
Korbier.
Korbier.
Oh, he's found it. He's found it. No, mate, I'm reeling it in. I'm reeling it in. Get that fucking net ready. Get that net ready. Mate, get that fucking net ready. I'm reeling it in.
Wait.
Oh, wait, here it comes. Oh, there's it. There's it. Oh,
I've got it.
got it. Oh, just headings.
I've got it.
That is a fucking Scottish salmon at its finest.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I know what it is, but I don't fucking know the word for
Scottish
salmon.
salmon.
Yeah,
It's a bit-
that's salmon.
It's a bit bashed.
Yeah, okay.
This is Scottish salmon.
Okay. Open it.
Okay, what?
Let's see how it sounds.
Welcome to Scotland.
Okay.
Piss water.
That's a Scottish salmon.
This.
Okay. How does it taste?
It tastes like old granny's pussy.
Right, get it in there.
Scottish salmon. Oh, Scottish
It's
salmon.
Scottish
No,
salmon.
you know, did you ever watch wrestling back in the day? Stone Cold Steve Austin, 2 beers.
Fuck that.
No, man. I know it's a waste of beer, but fucking it was cool as fuck. Give me that for a second.
Watch this.
Did you ever watch wrestling back in the day?
Yeah, of course.
Stone Cold Steve Austin.
No.
No?
Steve Austin? I don't know. Oh, okay. I know what you mean. Yeah. I know Rey Mysterio and The Undertaker and
Yeah, man.
and Triple H,
Aye.
The Rock.
The Rock.
Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels.
Yeah, of course.
You think I'm sexy?
You think you know me? Fuck salmon, because I've got a sexy body.
The Hulk Hogan.
Hulk Hogan.
Can
Yeah.
you smell what the Rock's cooking?
WCW, motherfucker. Fuck the WWF. What?
Hey, dude.
Oh, he's found it! He's found it! Oh, he's got it! Oh, yes, guys.
That's a great fire, man.
Throw rocks, see if you can knock it over.
What are you trying with the stones?
The stones will be fucked soon. Oh, there's a metal piece there. Don't worry. Be happy.
C'est exactement le même pot.
Le nord il est là-bas. Le nord il est là-bas. La Norvège c'est pas là-bas. Là-bas t'as l'Islande. Le Groenland il est là-bas quelque part.
Salmon.
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 Salmon. Ja, Felix.
Shark.
Shark.
No. I want that.
What is salmon in French?
Saumon.
Salmon.
Salmon.
Saumon.
That's not very creative.
I would get the picture.
Les salmons.
Les salmon.
Les salmons. À deux choix.
What is it in German? Fuck, I have no idea.
Ça pas trop parce que c'est trop noir en dessous. Ouais, j'adore les couleurs qui partent.
Les salmons.
That's
Hello,
what it
Germany.
looks
This is Ewan from Scotland.
Yeah, I need to hit it.
Just say hello. How you doing? Durchfall.
Durchfall. Yeah,
Fucking.
best German word.
Let's get wasted.
Oh, we're still wasted, and I think with maybe.
No alcohol left. But we will catch a les salmon.
Les salmon.
Les salmon.
Les salmon.
Les salmon.
Are you wasted? Drunk?
Yeah.
It's great. Me too.
Why am I giving you a... yeah, for the fire, yeah.
T'as l'impression que c'est un peu le matin.
There's some big cunts here.
Le soleil il est en train de se lever, c'est un truc énorme. Il y a un truc que je comprends vraiment pas.
Guys, feel it.
Don't feed them weapons.
Depuis que je suis ici, depuis que je suis ici, j'ai vraiment aucune orientation par rapport au sud. Je sais que la Grande Ourse c'est sud, un peu le sud-ouest, mais
Let's get stoned, guys, and get the fucking ferry for Stornoway.
Yeah, let's fucking do it, man.
I can't fall, guys. I'm gonna fucking fucked. But let me getting stoned in fucking Stornoway.
No, just fold up, just be like that on the ferry. Hi, is this the seafood? Yeah. Oh, it's me.
Fuck off!
It's me, Mad Kev. I can't work
mate,
today.
I have a
I'm
break.
fucking stoned as shit and on my way to Stornoway.
Well, hello, can I speak with Zora Shira? Why? Because I want fucking fuck you, bitch, and I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna fucking finish in your face. Can you hear that? I will not be here anymore. Fuck you! Lagerfeuer.
give a cigarette
Fuck!
so much.
Why? Because we need of mad. No, that's bad.
Go!
I know that's why we need of him. Again. And he will be
Players?
done. Balls like-
Players? Benson and Egg. Ah, okay.
Oh, he went for it. He went. Ball flick me and that'll be the last fucking thing you
Gentlemen, what we need is like.
Oh, I need to say tomorrow. Which
Underside.
Hello. You come here tomorrow?
Hello.
We'll be working.
Yeah, but what time you finish in the night?
10.
In 10? You?
I'm off, but I start the next day at 12. Yes,
What time you finish working
I will
tomorrow?
collect
I work same place as them.
In the night?
Oh, is it?
Same place as them.
I'm all week on closes next week.
Okay, guys, come in 10,
I'm
in
doing,
10,
you know,
hey,
Scott McRae.
come in 10:20. Then after working, you go out for take a shower if you want, and after
No, we'll go pier jumping again.
Really?
Huh?
Yeah.
You gotta come this time.
After you-
Okay, I'm in.
Last time-
I'm in.
I wasn't
Yeah,
sure.
tomorrow pier jumping.
Well, I don't
I'm up
trust
for
Felix.
I'm up for
See
that.
us do it.
Yeah.
Pier jumping.
Yeah.
In the sea. Yeah.
Felix.
We did it today. We've already done it.
They did. I watched it.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
let's
Felix.
do one.
I watched it today. So tomorrow we're going to pier jump with them.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We do it.
Okay, in 10:20.
No, he's
Bad
got,
Kev.
he's got fucking mental, Kev.
Put some water in the sea. It's not enough.
Hey Kev, salt water's
It's never enough.
No, you know what? You know when you and Ewan went like jumping in the water the other day?
Yeah.
Did you hear what he said? Some cunt spilt fucking salt in the sea.
Bon, Yannick, tomorrow.
That's warm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Go to the jump bridge.
Ice could be worse.
Moi je le touche.
It's tiny, tiny, tiny.
Don't actually hit him.
Pas done.
C'est les petits cailloux que je balance moi. Non, stop.
Just in front of him.
Okay.
Oh, Kev, it's good.
Is enough.
I love you.
Time, mate, time.
It's slow. Kevin, you're gonna hit the wrong man. Kevin, you're gonna hit the innocent guy.
Duck down.
I fucked my feet again.
He's got fucking rusty toes.
No.
Oh my god, can you please stop calling
Holy
him?
shit, I've got closer to that fire.
Dude, I'm saying, dude, I'm gonna start calling him Rusty from now.
Yeah, try it.
Rusty.
Okay, let's call him Rusty.
Try it, this one.
Дача бережно торгуется, все боится передать. Парень с девицей целуется, просит цены набавлять.
Ich stehe hier vor dem Memorium von Sir James Matheson. Und ich habe keine Ahnung, wer das ist.